say? You're getting all cranky. Oh, why can't we go out?
Dave, if
I said I wanted to stay home in bed on my phone. That's what I wanted to do.
then you should have just gotten out of the truck
No,
and went in the house.
No, because then they're going to hear from you, oh, you promised to do so if you don't do it. I don't feel like hearing that shit from you.
All right, then take responsibility and...
That's what I'm doing. I said I'm fucking doing something, I'm fucking doing it.
All right.
Instead of going to the mall, we're going to a different store. I don't want to fucking hear it.
Well, if you make a choice, then leave the resentment behind. Make your choice. Instead of saying it's either... Like what?
What, Chris? What?
Are you only going to prove a point, or because you?
No, because I said I would do something.
Alright.
I'm the kind of person I'm a man of my word, but I said I'd do something doing it. I said I would take.
Then why are you so resentful right now?
Because I'm pissed off. Because it pisses me the fuck off when I ask you to do something. You fucking ignore me, but when you ask me, I do it.
I do the dishes.
Fair. It's not.
I do the dishes
it's
almost every day.
I ask you to do.
Not everything, Dave.
Yeah, it is.
Dave, I do the dishes almost
I tell you to lower the heat. I go in there and the heat's blasted. I tell you not to leave the towels on the floor. It's wet towels on the floor. I tell you to clean up the kitchen the other day. I cleaned the whole kitchen. Come on.
I did the dishes every day for a week, and then I do it for like 3 days, and then yelled.
I said, let's go see everybody for Thanksgiving. You got away with that.
That's a personal decision whether I want to interact with them or not.
Well, you have to. Everybody else. How come everybody went but you?
They're choosing to.
Some people didn't want to do it. They did because they're considerate.
They're choosing to, Dave. You can't force somebody to have a relationship or a connection with somebody.
You're telling me on your bed where you're 100% doing. What are you talking about? Yes, obviously we're not living together.